Hello, little busy brains. Today we read about Anzelle and the Sunken Secrets. Are you ready? Let's read.
In the quaint town of Everglen, nestled beside rolling hills and sun-drenched meadows, lived Anzelle, a girl with a heart as golden as the sun. One radiant afternoon, while nestled beneath the branches of her favorite willow tree, Anzelle stumbled upon a secret that would change her life forever. As the sunlight danced through the leaves, she noticed an ancient inscription hidden beneath the tree's sprawling roots, leading her to a forgotten world. Intrigued, Anzelle traced the symbols, whispering the strange words aloud, unaware of the magic she was about to unleash. As the final syllable left her lips, the ground beneath her feet began to tremble, and the old willow stirred with newfound life. With a creak that echoed through the meadow, the willow revealed a hidden passage, beckoning Anzelle into the unknown. Hesitantly, Anzelle stepped into the passage, the willow's gentle rustling guiding her onward. The air grew cooler, and the earthy scent of ancient secrets filled her senses as she descended into the hidden depths. As she ventured deeper, the tunnel walls illuminated with shimmering crystals, revealing an underground path. The passage opened into a vast cavern, where a shimmering underground lake lay before her, its waters as clear as glass. In the center of the lake, an ancient city of glittering spires and ethereal towers slumbered beneath the surface, a forgotten civilization waiting to be rediscovered. It was the legendary City of Sunken Secrets, lost to time and tide. As Anzelle gazed in wonder, the willow's voice echoed in her mind. The city is in peril, Anzelle. Its light is fading, and only you can restore it. Determined, Anzelle plunged into the cool waters, her heart pounding with courage and resolve, ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead. With each stroke, she felt the weight of responsibility and excitement for her quest to save the city. Diving deeper, Anzelle reached the city and swam through the ghostly streets, her eyes scanning for any sign of life. She discovered that the city's power source, a radiant crystal heart, had been shattered, plunging the city into darkness. The ancient guardians of the city are now lost and restless, longing to protect their beloved city. Guided by the willow's wisdom, Anzelle sought out the fragments of the crystal heart, scattered throughout the city. Each fragment held a memory, a story of the city's vibrant past, revealed to Anzelle as she touched them. As she journeyed, she learned that the city had been swallowed by the lake many years ago, after the crystal heart shattered. Gathering the last fragment, Anzelle returned to the city's heart, holding the pieces together. The willow's energy flowed through her, mending the crystal with a surge of light and love. As the crystal heart began to glow, the city awakened with renewed life, the waters shimmering with vibrant color once more. The light shines brighter, casting away the darkness. With the city restored, Anzelle returned to the surface, carrying the wisdom and wonder of sunken secrets in her heart. Back beneath the willow, she knew her life would never be the same, forever changed by the magic she had found. She climbed the passage and waved goodbye to the willow.
The end. Thank you for reading Anzelle's adventurous story with us today. Like and subscribe for more Read Aloud stories.